it's Christina, and today I'm bringing to you an April envelope stuffing. I know it's a little late, but I've been very busy with working extra and a bathroom renovation, which I will be sharing with you guys in an upcoming video. But I was able to sneak in an envelope stuffing since we're right at the end of the month. Before I go over that, I wanted to let you know about a little spending report from March and actually April, since I'm already at the end of the month. So in March, I was able to give $66 towards different causes, and I'm not going to go into details about what those are because, well, one, I don't have them written down right now, and two, I'm afraid I'm going to run out of storage space on my phone. So for now, we're just going to have to go with the amount. And luckily, because I was working extra, I had an extra $700 for the month of March that I'm able to apply to debt, although I have not done so yet because of the way the weeks fell and the way that my bills were due. So I'm working on it, but I haven't given up the money yet. In April, I was able to give $95 to different causes, and I'm left with approximately $200. I have to really figure out the exact amount, but I should be left over with $200. So in total for the past 2 months, I should be able to do a good payment of like $900 towards debt in an upcoming month, maybe May. Okay, next, this is what I'm transferring into my Capital One 360 account. So I'm going to be transferring $50 into my Christmas 2018 fund. And I'm going to be transferring $20 into my chimney lining fund. Next, onto the cash. So for my car repair, it's hard to see it with the sun today. For my car repair envelope, I'm going to be putting in $5. I'm not putting in as much this month because it needed something, so I used up some of the other money. For my home repair envelope, I'm adding $20. For my backyard envelope, which I'm pretty excited to be spending soon, I'm adding $50. And I can do another backyard video, maybe like a garden or something like that. We'll see. And then my water envelope, I'm going to be putting in $50. So one of my subscribers requested that I say the amounts that I have been accumulating. So just to clarify, my sinking funds, the cash that you see in these envelopes, it's not the savings over a long-term period. It's savings over a short-term period. And so anything long-term I put to my Capital One 360 account. So all of these amounts are not going to be very large. So that's why I'm comfortable sharing the amounts, because it's not very much. So for my car fund, including what I added today, I have a total of $273. For my home repair envelope, I have a total of $220. For my backyard envelope, I have a total of $132. And then lastly, for my water envelope, I have exactly what I put in it today, which is $50, because that has already cycled through and I was back at square one. So that's all for this month's, for April's envelope stuffing and a little bit of a spending report update. Like I said in the beginning, I have an upcoming bathroom renovation video, and then I have a few other video ideas up my sleeve, but I don't want to comment on them, seeing as how I don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, so I don't want to speak on it. But we'll see what time brings, and I think you'll like what's in the works. So I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.